Welcome to Get2Friday. We're glad to have you here and we're excited to help make your life easier. Today, we're going to give you a look into the Get2Friday features that will help you manage your team, time, shifts, jobs, and more. There's a lot to cover, so if you don't see the answer to your question, send us a chat and we'll give you a one-on-one demo. Now, are you sick of using a million different platforms, managing your team here, time there, projects somewhere else, total lack of organization, accountability, and communication? You know the frustrations that leads to. Not fun, and it's impossible to grow your business that way. For decades, we've worked with hundreds of companies of all sizes. We've helped streamline their operations and create company growth. We've taken that knowledge and experience and built Get2Friday to make it accessible for all companies to realize growth without overcomplicating it. Because did you know just a 5% increase in productivity launches a business's income nearly 65%? That's why we built Get2Friday. Let us help you take control of your business, and let's get to it. Throughout this demo, you're seeing the desktop view of Get2Friday, but one of the greatest features is the mobile app, which gives your team access to Get2Friday on the go from wherever they are right on their phone. When you log in, you have access to your central hub, the dashboard, company announcements, notifications, and critical documents right on the home page. Plus, quick access to clock in and out. This makes it easy to communicate messages to your entire company or department specific. Studies show companies that communicate effectively can increase their productivity by as much as 25%, especially with remote teams. This provides one central place that your team can use as a go-to for important information, not to mention all the other features we're about to get into, which will help improve communication too. When you navigate into the time clock, you still have access to clock in, as well as all your other important time-related information, hours worked, time off requests, and available PTO. Team members will only see their information, whereas managers can see the entire team as you see here. A helpful feature for managers is that each time entry includes the GPS location from the device used to clock in or out. So if you have remote or mobile team members, this gives you greater insight into their location. For example, if you have employees that are supposed to clock in once arriving to a job site, you'll be able to ensure they're clocking in from the proper location. Managers also have access to the additional features you see here, like editing or adding time entries and time off, reviewing and approving time off requests, company settings for payroll, allotted PTO, paid holidays, and blackout dates, as well as reporting for payroll, time cards, and time off. Accurate time tracking and reporting is critical to your bottom line. If you're spending hours every week on payroll or reviewing employee time, it's time to get your life back. Say goodbye to handwritten timesheets and inaccurate reporting, which could be costing you money, and easily account for time off, overtime, and paid holidays. All right, now let's conquer the chaos of shift and job scheduling. As someone who probably wears many hats, we get it. Sometimes it's tough when you're juggling everything to stay organized and on top of every single task. Does the thought of your current process send you into a panic? There's nothing worse than getting that call from your boss or client. But did you know that managers spend about 20% of their time creating employee schedules? What else could you dream of using that time for? We've got you covered. In the scheduling module, you can manage your entire team, whether you have employees in one office or in the field. The color-coded calendar makes it easy to see who's working, when, and where. Just use the options to include the information that is important to you. Schedule shifts or schedule jobs or projects like you see here, specifying the location, job details, and requirements. Once it's assigned, the employee will receive an email notification and can also easily see their schedule on the mobile app. This eliminates no-shows or miscommunication, improving efficiency and accountability. Create unique shifts, repeat shifts, or create templates that you can easily use over and over again. We love that the scheduling module gives you one easy place to enter everything, keep it organized, and gives employees the information they need to be successful on a job too. Now, in the name of helping you keep your business organized, our HR and resource management tools are actually really important in helping you save money and keep track of valuable assets. Research shows that inefficient processes can cost organizations 20 to 30% of their annual revenue every year. That's terrible news for any company, but especially small and medium-sized companies. We're going to go through these pretty quick, but you can test them out further in your free 14-day trial or drop us a chat below with any questions. These tools make it easy to track and manage equipment, employee incident reports, disciplinary actions, and vehicle assignments or accident reports for fleet or company vehicles. Protect and keep track of valuable company assets from computers to vehicles. For example, if your team is in the field, you can keep track of any equipment they may need for their jobs. Or if you send equipment to remote employees, you'll always know where it is and who is responsible for it. Again, no need to go to a separate platform every time you need to update this information. It's all in one place. Although we do understand that your business might require other specific tools. Maybe you use Slack or QuickBooks. Whatever it is, we've made it easy to provide quick links to any other service you use. That way, there's one spot employees can go to access them all. No more wasting time trying to find the right link or login. Add as many links as you need, and everyone can access them from here or on the main dashboard. This might seem small, but reports show that 26% of every employee's day is wasted on outdated technology or doing things like avoidable administrative tasks. The same goes for all your company documents, files, marketing literature, etc. How long do you spend trying to track down files? Is it on the Google Drive, lost in an email chain somewhere, in one of your countless desktop folders? Get that time back by keeping everything organized all in one place. Create a structure that works for you. Here we have HR resources and new hire files, but you might have folders like marketing, sales, clients, or even literature on internal processes. You can add as many files as you want to each of your folders. When adding a file, just choose your file type, add any other information that might be important, and then you can choose to have your file displayed on the main dashboard for super quick access or even make it confidential if need be. Plus, you can control permissions by team so you could customize who should have access to what folders. All right, if you're still with us, congratulations, you did it. Thanks for sticking around. We just went through a lot, and that was a really quick overview, but we hope it gave you a better idea of how Get2Friday can work for your business. There are so many ways to customize this platform for you, so we encourage you to test out that free trial or give us a chat. Click the sign up button at the top of the page or scroll down to get started. Once you submit the form, you'll hear from one of our onboarding specialists right away, and then we'll work with you to get your business rolling. We can help you take back control. We built Get2Friday to be your easy and accessible solution. Run your business. Don't let it run you. Again, if you have any questions, just send us a chat, and we look forward to meeting you.